How's it going, Pipedrivers? It's James from Pipedrive again, here to talk to you all about the Web Visitors add-on, why you should be excited about it, and how to use it. This add-on is a simple tracker code you insert in your website, and then from your Web Visitors inbox in Pipedrive, you'll find a ranked list of companies that have visited your website. Ranked what? Yes, ranked by quality. Pipedrive will show you your most engaged web visitors so you can focus right away on the organizations more likely to do business with you. You can use this to discover companies in your website traffic that maybe previously had remained unconverted or anonymous even. Just so you know, your web visitors data is refreshed every 5 minutes. But so every time a company visits your site, web visitors will identify how they found you, what they engaged with on your site, and how long they stayed for. You can totally utilize these insights to optimize your website's content and tailor your outreach to new leads or existing customers. You can anticipate their needs before you even make contact, Analyzing your website's traffic is essential when learning about visitor behavior and finding the best potential customers to target during the early lead generation stages. Not all of your website visitors will turn into customers, so it's important for your sales team to know as early as possible where to focus their time and energy. So how do you make this magic happen for yourself? Quite simply, all you're going to have to do is embed the provided tracker code in the header of your website. Depending on what you're using to host your website, this can be done in several ways. Click on the link above to see instructions for the most popular solutions like Wix, Squarespace, WordPress, and the Google Tag Manager, but this code needs to be inserted onto every web page you intend to track visits and gain leads from. Then, as visits keep pouring in, Pipedrive will score your visitors and rank their quality so you can quickly hone in on the most engaged companies. You can also apply filters to this view if you only want to see visits from people that are linked to actual organizations in your Pipedrive contact database, or you can get real specific with a custom filter if, for example, you want to see web visitors that only came from a specific location or something like that. Now think about the possibilities here, because whether you have a pretty good idea or a very good idea of your target demographic, you can keep your focus on the right companies. Page URL is a great example of how you can look at visits to a specific page for a marketing campaign you have going on, and you can just look at that specific URL path. Now visit length goes by the seconds, so the number of seconds they stayed on a page, and then of course there's industry, which will be real important for a lot of you. Now, source and medium means you can drill down into traffic coming from a specific source like Google, or even which medium it came from, such as organic or paid search. Then you've got your visitor employee count. And then you can also look at visits that only came from a specific domain, and that's host name over here. Landing page path is the very first page viewed by a viewer in a session. This still has to be a web page that has the tracker installed on it, just so you know. But so let's say you're interested only in leads that came into a specific marketing landing page. You would set this filter to the URL of that page to see what type of leads had reached that campaign. And last of all, over here, we can look at what visits came from organizations that are already in our Pipedrive contact database, or maybe even specifically ones who aren't in our database. So you've got some pretty good options here. Have some fun. We can also sort by quality or by the latest visit. Quality basically looks at who has the highest number of page views per session. Also, if any of these leads are irrelevant to you, you can just choose to hide them from your results. Drilling further into this organization, we can see exactly which web pages this customer liked the most and how long they stayed for. So this does help us paint a better picture of where the lead's head's at, and it also gives us more of an opportunity to come to the next conversation with some more helpful recommendations and upsells that'll help them accomplish what they want. But so let's say the time has come and we think that this web visit is worth pursuing somehow. We can convert this into a lead in our leads inbox, which can be converted into a deal later, or we can just convert it into a deal and go straight into our pipelines. The first time you do this with the Web Visitors add-on, you'll notice new custom fields appear for your organization profiles. These custom fields track whether or not an organization is linked to a web visitor, and when the latest web visit actually was. And every time a web visit session occurs, you'll get a note inside that organization profile. These custom fields you add also make it easy to filter your organizations or even your deals by the linked organization web visit data. Let's say, for example, we only wanted to look at deals that are connected to an organization that actually has web visitor data populated. That's totally possible. And so now we know all the deals we're looking at here are engaged customers that were actually on our website. Isn't that rad? And that's a wrap, everybody. You now know how to work with the Web Visitors add-on and how it can help enable you and your team to focus your attention on more engaged visitors, which at the end of the day just helps you give your customers a better, more concise, and more impactful experience when talking to you. We all know what it's like to be on the phone with someone who, for lack of a better term, is just phoning it in. So much better to leave a lasting impression on your prospects and customers and come to the table anticipating their needs. And we're done. Thanks for watching, and until next time, Pipe Drivers.